Hey everyone, welcome back to the Health Scholar Hub. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most popular diets out there. The Big Four: Mediterranean diet, Keto diet, vegan diet, and intermittent fasting, and exploring what science has to say about each. I'll be sharing how each diet is performed, its benefits and drawbacks, and who might benefit the most from following it. So let's get into it. The first diet we're looking at is the Mediterranean diet. This diet focuses on whole foods, especially vegetables, fruits, nuts, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, along with moderate fish and poultry. It's inspired by the traditional eating habits of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. People following this diet prioritize fresh produce and avoid processed foods. Meals typically include plenty of vegetables, beans, and legumes, with a focus on reducing red meat and sugary treats. Research has shown that the Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest out there. It's linked to lower risks of heart disease, strokes, and even some types of cancer. Pros: heart health. The diet's emphasis on olive oil, nuts, and fish means plenty of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Longevity. The antioxidants from fruits and vegetables are associated with longevity and lower risk of chronic diseases. Cons. Cost. Fresh produce, nuts, and olive oil can be expensive, making this diet less affordable for some people. Time and preparation. Whole food preparation can require more time than prepackaged meals. Ideal for people looking for a balanced, sustainable diet for overall health and wellness, particularly those with a family history of heart disease. Not ideal for those with limited time or budget might find it challenging to maintain this diet consistently. Next up, we have the Keto diet, a high-fat, low-carb diet that aims to push the body into ketosis. This diet drastically reduces carbohydrates and increases fats. Followers of keto usually limit carbs to under 50 grams per day and focus on high-fat foods like avocados, cheese, fatty fish, and oils, with moderate protein intake. The goal is to trigger ketosis, where the body burns fat for energy. A 2019 study found that the keto diet is effective for weight loss and can improve blood sugar control in diabetics. However, its long-term effects are still being studied. Pros: weight loss. Rapid weight loss is common due to ketosis. Blood sugar control. May benefit people with type 2 diabetes by stabilizing blood sugar. Cons. Nutrient deficiencies. Cutting out most carbs can lead to deficiencies in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Risk of keto flu. Side effects like fatigue, headache, and nausea can occur as the body adjusts. Ideal for those looking for quick weight loss or people with insulin resistance. Not ideal for individuals with liver or kidney issues, or those who find it hard to avoid carbs entirely. The vegan diet. Now let's talk about the vegan diet, which eliminates all animal products. That includes meat, dairy, and even honey in many cases. Vegans focus on plant-based foods like vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. This diet requires planning to ensure you get enough protein, iron, and vitamin B12, which are mainly found in animal products. Studies have linked vegan diets with lower risks of heart disease, hypertension, and certain cancers. The fiber-rich nature of the diet is also great for digestive health. Pros: reduced disease risk. Lower risk of certain diseases and inflammation. Environmentally friendly. Veganism has a smaller carbon footprint, which benefits the planet. Cons: nutrient deficiencies. Without proper planning, vegans may lack essential nutrients like B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Social challenges. Eating out can be more challenging, especially in areas with limited vegan options. Deal for individuals concerned with animal welfare, environmental impact, or those who feel energized by plant-based diets. Not ideal for people who struggle with nutrient absorption or need animal-based protein for their dietary needs. Lastly, intermittent fasting or IF. Unlike other diets that focus on what you eat, it is all about when you eat. This approach alternates between periods of fasting and eating, aiming to give the body time to enter a fasted state, where it burns fat more effectively. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting. 1. 16/8 method. This is the most common and involves fasting for 16 hours, often overnight, and eating all meals within an 8-hour window, such as from noon to 8 p.m. 2. 5-2 method. In this method, you eat normally for 5 days of the week and then significantly reduce calories to around 500,600 on 2 non-consecutive days. 3. Eat Stop Eat. This involves 1 or 2 24-hour fasts per week. For example, you might fast from dinner one day until dinner the next day. 4. Alternate day fasting. This involves alternating between fasting days, where you eat little to no food, and eating days where you consume your usual diet. These methods provide flexibility and can be adapted to suit individual preferences and lifestyles. Intermittent fasting has been a hot topic in research. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting may support weight loss, improve insulin sensitivity, and even promote cellular repair through a process called autophagy, where cells remove damaged components and improve regeneration. Pros. Weight loss. It can help with weight loss by reducing calorie intake and increasing fat burning potential during fasting windows. Improved insulin sensitivity. It may help stabilize blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Cellular health. Fasting can trigger autophagy, potentially slowing down cell aging and supporting overall health. Cons. Initial side effects, hunger, irritability, and low energy are common at the start of an IF regimen as the body adjusts. Not for everyone. It may not be suitable for people with certain medical conditions, like hypoglycemia, or for those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Social challenges. Fasting can be difficult to maintain in social settings or during holidays and gatherings, as the eating windows may conflict with regular mealtimes. Ideal for people looking for flexibility in their diet without strict food restrictions, and those aiming for weight loss, improved metabolic health, or convenience in meal planning. Not ideal for individuals with specific medical conditions, like diabetes or low blood sugar issues, those with a history of eating disorders, or people who find it difficult to manage hunger during fasting windows. This unique approach to eating has gained a lot of attention for its potential benefits, especially for weight management and metabolic health. So, there you have it. A breakdown of the big 4 diets: Mediterranean, Keto, Vegan, and Intermittent Fasting or IF. Each has its benefits, and each comes with some downsides. The best diet depends on your personal health goals, lifestyle, and preferences. Remember to always consult with a healthcare provider before making major dietary changes. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more science-backed health insights. Let me know in the comments if you've tried intermittent fasting or if you're interested in learning more.